Hello, hi guys, welcome to my beloved life. My name is Kalia and today we're stuffing paycheck number 2 of June. This is my hourly paycheck, so it is much smaller than my salary paycheck. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, I put the breakdown too quickly away. It's $452, so we're gonna count this money from the bank to make sure that everything is here, and then we'll get to stuffing right away. It's June now, so it's hot, like hot. Like, okay, maybe not hot. Maybe I just feel like it's hot because I'm pregnant and everything is hot. But 150, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 320. So 320, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So 390, 95, 400, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. That's not correct. So 100, 200, 320. So 320. Yeah, 320, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. There we go. So 380. I think I originally counted 390. So 380, 85, 90, 95, 400, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So 445, 445, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. So 452. Everything is here. Now, we'll get right into stuffing our variable expenses. I hope you guys have very awesome summer plans. I don't have much as I am giving birth at the end of the summer, so we are doing a lot of baby preparations and I'm working a lot because for maternity leave, I want to make sure that my finances are set for my maternity leave. So we are going to be working a lot, although I haven't been able to save a lot this summer because I like to do stuff with my family and we always just end up spending more than we intend to. But that is why we budget. I've been lucky that I haven't run out of money for my budgets, so we're doing pretty decent. Groceries is getting $40 this week. So 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So let's, all right. So groceries now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So 160 in groceries. And I did pre-fill out my budget sheets, so 160 is correct. Pampering isn't getting anything this week or this paycheck. Puppies is getting $30. We haven't picked up their food yet. We will at the end of the week. So $30. 20, 30. Okay. So puppies has 50, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. $90 in puppies, is that correct? Yeah, that is correct. $90 in puppies. And then bills is getting $100. So bills has 1, 2, 3, 400, 1, 2. So $402 in bills. shopping is getting $5. So shopping has $10, $15, $16 in shopping. Now that is all for my variable expenses. We're gonna go ahead and move on to my short-term sinking funds. Okay. So my short-term sinking funds, we're starting with Hi Baby. And Hi Baby is getting $20 this paycheck. So Hi Baby now has 120, 40, 60, 80, 180 in Hi Baby. Medical is getting $70. So 20, 50. I'm gonna use this 50. Okay. So medical has 150, 250, 70, 93, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 119 with my budget sheet pre-filled out. 319, sorry. 319 is correct, not 119. Okay, honey is getting $10. So honey has $20, $30, $40 in honey. All right, Kalia is getting $12. Is that correct? Yeah, $12. So Kalia has 10, 20, 21, 22, 23 in Kalia. Date night is getting $5. So date night has 10, 15, 20 in date night. Gifts is getting $5. So gifts has 15. The good news is we don't have a lot of birthdays in the summertime, so gifts and graduations should be done by then. I mean, most of our graduates are early graduates because of the pandemic, so I shouldn't have to spend any more money in gifts. I think I only have one birthday this summer. All right, Debt Snowball is getting $20. So Debt Snowball has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 30. 130 in Debt Snowball. Education is not getting anything. Business is getting $5. So business has 50, 55, $60 in business. House is getting $5. So 5, 15, 16, 17, 18, $18 in house. Car is getting $10. So car has 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. So $23 in car. All right. Oh yeah, and another reason why I don't put a lot of money in car is because my dad does my oil change and things like that. So I don't really pay for maintenance unless it's like I need a new car or I need a new part to I don't really need maintenance unless I need like parts replaced or things like that. And I don't drive very much, so I wouldn't know. I mean, like, not that I wouldn't know, but there's really no need for me to replace stuff. Parents is getting, moving on to my long-term sinking funds. Parents is getting $5. I blinked out there. Oh my goodness. So 120, 30, 35, 135 in parents. Crypto is getting 5. Crypto has 10, 15, 20. So $20 in crypto. I am making bi-weekly investments for my cryptocurrency and in my stock investments. I think depending on how my cushion looks, I may take money out of crypto. I may not. I may just wait for crypto to build up and to a certain amount, and then when I think it's best to buy, I'll do a lump sum buy. But it's undecided. I'll figure it out as I go. Christmas is getting $5. So Christmas has 150, 70, 90, 210, 15, 20. So 220 in Christmas. Savings is getting $5. Savings has 110, 15, 20, 120 in savings. Emergency is getting 5. So emergency has 10, 15, 20 in emergency. Okay, and then last one is vacation, and vacation is getting $5. Jeez. So vacation has $110 in vacation. Okay. And because this is my hourly paycheck, it's a smaller paycheck only, my 52 weeks will be getting stuff. We are stuffing $85. Or, not 85. It shouldn't be 85. It should only be 75. 50, 60, 70, 75. Okay, so I guess I have an extra $10 here. Because I did put my savings as 85 on my checklist, and it's not 75. I mean, it's not 85, it's 75. So, I think I'm going to put this in my Kalia folder. So I'll just add $10 to that. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to put it in my Kalia folder, which is in my short-term sinking funds. Let me just grab that. Okay. Woo! Extra money. I should have, yeah, well. Okay, so I'll just change this to 22 plus 22, so this should be 33. So 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. $33 in Kalia. All right. Thank you guys for joining me for this June paycheck number 2 stuffing. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.